So we are given a right angle triangle. It is having a 90 degree and we have an angle. PQ is given 12 centimeter. PR is given 13 centimeters. So we need to find tan P minus cot R. So we know that tan of an angle is always given by the perpendicular divided by the base. So we are required to find the tan of P. So we will take this P. So this will become the base and this will be the perpendicular. So tan P will be equal to QR by PQ. And cot R will be the opposite of tan, or we can say that it is equal to base divided by perpendicular. So for R the base is QR. So the perpendicular is PQ. So we can say that these both are, since the both are same, so tan P minus cot R will give us the value is equal to 0. So tan P minus cot R will give us the value equal to 0. So in this question we are given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So we have to evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta over 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So since cot theta is given to us, that is equal to 7 by 8, we can make a right angle triangle. First let this angle be taken as theta. Since cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, which is perpendicular divided by base. So cot theta is base divided by perpendicular. So base is given to as 7 and perpendicular is 8. So base will take as 7 and perpendicular as 8. So cot theta is 7 by 8. So base we have taken as 7 and perpendicular 8. We know that the hypotenuse can be found by the Pythagoras theorem, which is given by root of 7 square plus 8 square, or the root of base square plus perpendicular square. So this will become equal to root of 49 plus 64. So sin theta we can write is equal to, sin theta we know that it is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is given as 8 and hypotenuse is root of 7 square plus 8 square. This is equal to 8 divided by root of 49 plus 64 is equal to 8 divided by root of 113. So we'll keep this like this only. So we can write cos theta is equal to base divided by perpendicular. So base is 7 by root of 113. Now we can put these both values in the problem, so we'll get the answer. So it is, since 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Since a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, so it will become 1 minus 8 by root 113 whole square divided by 1 minus 7 by root 113 whole square. So it will become equal to 1 minus 64 divided by 113 divided by 1 minus 49 divided by 113. So it will be equal to 113 minus 64 divided by 113 minus 49. So it will be equal to 49 by 64. So next question is tan a plus b is given to us, that is equal to root 3. Tan a minus b is given to us, that is 1 by root 3. A plus b is given to us, that is value is between 0 and 90 degree. A is greater than b, so we have to find the angle A and B. So from the question we have tan of a plus b is given to us, that is root 3, and we can write root 3 as tan of 60 degree. Since we know that root 3 is tan of 60 degree, so we can replace it by tan 60. We are writing this 60 because a and b value is between 0 and 90. So 60 is applicable between 0 and 90. We cannot take any further angle or bigger angle because according to the question we are given that the sum of angle is between 0 and 90. So tan gets cancelled on both sides, so we have a plus b is equal to 60. So we can write this as equation number 1. Now the second condition is tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Now we know that tan of a minus b is equal to, we know that 1 by root 3 is the value of tan 30. So tan gets cancelled on both sides. We are left with a minus b is equal to 30. So this is equation number 2. Now to find a and b, we can add these both equations. So we need to add 1 and 2. So we will get a plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b is equal to 30. So adding both, b gets cancelled. So we have twice of a is equal to 90. So we'll get a is equal to 45 degree. Now put this value in equation 1. Put in equation 1. So we have a plus b is equal to 60. So b is equal to 60 minus a, which is equal to 60 minus 45, that is 15 degree. So we have a is equal to 45 and b is equal to 15, and it also satisfies the condition that a is greater than b. So the next question is, if tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18, where twice of a is an acute angle, so find the values of a. So we have studied that tan a can be written as cot of 90 minus a, since both are complementary. Tan and cot both are complementary and differ by an angle of 90 degree. So tan a can be written as cot 90 minus a. So we have cot on one side, so we'll need to make this also a cot, so that cot gets cancelled on both sides and we are left with a. So we can find the value of a. So tan 2a we can write as cot of 90 minus 2a is equal to cot of a minus of 18. Now cot gets cancelled on both sides, so we have 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus of 18. So we have 90 plus of 18 is equal to 3a. So 108 is equal to 3a. So we'll get the value of a as 108 by 3, which is equal to 36 degree. Now this question is, if a, b, c are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, then we need to show that sine b plus c divided by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. Now in this type of question where three angles are given of a triangle, we all know that sum of the all angle of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is given by 180 degree. Now we need to prove that sine b plus c divided by 2 is equal to cos of a by 2. Now we'll use this equation on the right hand side or the left hand side, which we wish. So we'll put that, so we'll get the answer. So I am using the left hand side, so I have sine, so we can write this as equation number 1, sine b plus c divided by 2. Now b plus c, so let's just name this as 1 and this as 2. Now b plus c can be written from equation number 1. So b plus c can be written as 180 minus a. So it will become sine of 180 minus a by 2. So now distributing a 2 to both sides, so we have 90 minus a by 2. And we know that property that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, since sine and cos are complementary. So we can write sine 90 minus a as cos of a by 2. So the RHS remains as it is. Since the right hand side is equal to the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, we have hence proved.